Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need 1 apple, 1 kiwi, 1 small bunch of grapes, and about a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses. You will need to have your apples in slices, cut your kiwi in half lengthwise, and pull your grapes off the stem. Let's get started. As you can see, I have put all of my ingredients into the bowls off to the side and left my tablespoon of molasses on the corner. My first step is to grab my kiwis and put one towards the top of the board and one off to the side towards more the middle of my board. I want them spaced out a little bit. I also want to share a fun fact with you. I put a little bit of lemon on my apples. This will prevent them from getting brown and will keep them nice and bright to use. My next step is to grab the apples and use them as the fins for my turtles. I put 2 towards the front of the kiwi, and I will grab 1 and another to be the back fins of the turtle. Now, as I'm looking here, I've noticed that one of my fins is smaller than the other. So I'm going to switch them out to make sure they look a little bit symmetrical. That means they look the same on both sides. I'm using my other apple slices to make the fins for my turtle. And you will notice I will have 2 apple slices left. Don't worry. These I can just eat up later when I'm done making my turtles. How are your turtles looking so far? I just love sea turtles and I love picturing them gliding through the water. Sea turtles are such gentle and wise creatures. Did you know some turtles can live up to 50 years old? That's pretty cool. My next step is to use my grapes, and I'm going to make the heads of my sea turtles. Now, I'm going to look for the larger of the grapes that I have, and I put 2 right on top. I want the larger grapes to be the heads of my sea turtles. As you can see, I have now put my molasses into the bowl, and this is the fun part. I'm going to decorate my sea turtle shell using the molasses. I'm going to use my finger. It might get a little messy, but that's okay. I can lick the molasses off my fingers if I need to. Molasses is really good for you, especially blackstrap molasses. Molasses has iron in it, and iron is really important for your body. It helps you focus better, and it's great for your immune system. That means it helps you from getting sick. Are you having fun decorating your sea turtles? Let's speed stuff up a bit. Whoa! Look at that! I made one of my sea turtles have swirly, curvy designs and make my other one have straight lines with spots, kind of like a real sea turtle would. Do yours look different than mine? That's awesome! Now I'm going to use my finger to give my sea turtles eyes, just by putting a little bit on my finger here. Boop. Boop, and putting them gently on the grapes. I'm going to adjust my fins here, and you can do the same if you need to, because I'm going to use my remaining grapes to make sea kelp. Sea kelp grows in the ocean, and it grows long and tall and reaches up to the sun. I'm going to arrange my grapes in a line and make them a little bit curvy. Now, if your grapes are rolling all over the place, go ahead, take a bite and leave half of your grape, and now you should have a flat bottom for your grape. This will prevent it from rolling around. I used up all my grapes. Wow, look at my creation. My sea turtles look like they're swimming through the ocean. Do your sea turtles look like they're swimming too? I hope you had fun today making your sea turtle snack animal. Don't forget you can always send us a picture of yours at soulpowersnacks@gmail.com. And remember to shine your light by eating right. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe, and ring that bell for more snack animal fun. Thanks for being here. See you next time. Bye.